This water damage ceiling repair cost $612.68. This customer had a really bad leak in their upstairs bathroom which left some extensive damage to the ceiling in the kitchen, so they called us. If you're new here, we're Teleo Property Maintenance. We're a home repairs and renovations company and we help homeowners perfect their homes. We started off by scraping back the flaking plaster, we painted on some Zinnser primer, taped up the cracks and applied a generous helping of 2-spray filler, leaving the kitchen as if there was never a problem. If you like finding out how much home repairs and renovations cost you, then follow us.